On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is free, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the offer that you can promote and the best traffic source that you can use to promote the offer so that you can be making money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, I'm going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find offers to promote. There are a lot of different offers on CPA Group that you can promote to earn money. Any kind of offers that you want, you can find them on CPA Group. If you want pin submit offers, you can find them. If you want credit card submit, you can find them. If you want email and zip code submit, you can find those offers to promote. Any kind of offers that you want to promote, you can search and then find those offers. You can see they have mobile install. If you want offers that requires your potential visitors to install a mobile app, you can search for them and then promote those offers. But CPA offers are geo-specific, so if you select an offer, what you have to do is that you have to look at the country where it is allowed so that you can promote it to people who live in that country. In this case, we are going to be promoting an offer in the United Kingdom, so you can search for it here so that you can find offers in the United Kingdom. So you can search for United Kingdom right here. Search for United Kingdom. Once you search for it, you can see United Kingdom. Click on it. Once you search for the United Kingdom, when you scroll down, there are a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money. You can see the first one is mobile install. So your potential visitors have to install a mobile app so that you can be paid $4.37. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every lead that you get. There are many of them. If you scroll down, there are many offers that you can promote, so you can select any kind of offers that you want, but you must promote the offers to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of different offers. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. You can select any of these offers and promote, but what I usually do is that I look for offers that have higher payout. So among these offers, you can see this one right here has the highest payout. You are going to be earning $10.27. And you can see the requirement is very simple: email and zip code submit. So once your potential visitors take this action, you are going to be paid $10.27. Your potential visitors are going to stand the chance of winning £500 gift card. Once they enter their details, you are going to be paid $10.27. So we are going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the offer is allowed in only the United Kingdom. You can see it right here, and the rest of the details, you can see everything on it. So now what you have to do is that you have to get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter their email and zip code so that they can stand a chance of winning £500 gift card, and you are going to be paid $10.27. It is just simple as that. They don't need to buy anything. Even if your potential visitors enter their details and they are not able to win the prize, you are still going to be paid once they have entered their email and zip code. It is very simple as that. Now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details. I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source whereby you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is giveawaymachine.com. On this website, you can get free giveaways without paying for anything. You can also submit a giveaway on this website without paying anything. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different giveaways that you can click on and then claim it. You can see a whole lot of them. Just click on any of them that you like and then claim the giveaway. In this case, we are not going to claim any giveaway. What we are going to do is that we are going to submit our giveaway. So click right here, submit giveaway. Once you click on submit giveaway, you're going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the bottom, you can see link to giveaway. So you have to provide a link to your giveaway. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to copy our affiliate link and then paste it right here. So you have to come back on CPA Group, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see main price. You have to enter the price that they are going to earn when they fill in the form. In this case, they are going to earn £500 gift card. So highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you are going to enter the giveaway title. So you can copy and paste it right here. So you are going to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the title. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to write a description of your giveaway and then paste it right here. In this case, I have my description, so let me paste it for you to see. You can see this is my description. Once you have pasted your description, you are going to scroll down. You can see giveaway start date. So you have to enter the start date and the end date. Just enter any date that you want. In this case, we are going to enter today's date, so enter 4. You can see that has been done. The end date, just click on it and then select any date that you want. So we are going to select 31st of this month. Once that is done, you can see age restriction. Click on it. In this case, we are going to select 18 plus. Once that is done, you can see giveaway category. Click on it and then select the right category of the giveaway. As I scroll, you can see many categories. Select the right category. In this case, it is cash and gift cards, so select that. Once that is done, you are going to select the country where the giveaway is allowed. In this case, it is allowed in the United Kingdom, so you are going to select other locations. Once you select other location, the next step is that you have to upload an image of the giveaway. If you want offers that are allowed in the United States or Canada, you can go back on CPA Grip and then find offers that have higher payout so that you can submit them on this website. Let me show you one of the offers that you can select and then submit it to people who live in Canada. So let's go back on CPA Grip so that I can show you. Once you come back on CPA Grip, let me close this and then show you one of the offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. So let's scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you're going to click right here and then search for Canada. Search for Canada. Just search for Canada. You can see Canada here. Click on it. Once you search for Canada, when you scroll down, there are offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. So you can select this offer and then submit it on giveaway machine so that you can get people who live in Canada to enter their details for you to get paid. Just select this offer and then submit it. But in this case, we are using a UK offer, so let's go back and then promote that offer. I'm just showing you so that you get the idea. You can go and promote the offers that are allowed in Canada or United States. I'm just demonstrating for you to see, but in your case, you can select any offer that you want. Once you come back, just click on the offer. Once you click on the offer, you are going to download the offer image. So right click on the offer image and then select save images. Once you click on that, you are going to click on save so that you can save the image. Once you save the image, the next step is that you're going to come back again and then upload the image here. So click on browse. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, if you want to pay, you can make a payment. You can see if you pay $1.95, there is a 100% guarantee that your offer is going to be listed on the website. So if you want, you can make that payment. If you don't have money, just skip it. If you want your offer to be posted on Facebook by this website, you are going to be paying $4.95. And you can see many other social media platforms. You can see Twitter, you are going to be paying the same amount. Pinterest, the same amount. Instagram posts, you are also going to be paying the same amount, $4.95. You can also pay $2.95 so that they will send a push notification of your offer to their followers. But in this case, we are not going to select any of that, so just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see featured listing, so you can click on it and then select any of them that you want. If you want your offers to be featured on the home page of the website for 1 week, you're going to be paying $7, and you can see the rest. As you can see the rest, you can see any of them that you want, you can select. But in this case, we are not going to pay for anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, if you want them to send your offer to their email subscribers, 1 mailing you are going to be paying $24.95. You can see 2 mailing you are going to be paying $47.97. 3 mailing you are going to be paying $59.95. Any of the premium options that you want, you can select, but in this case, you are not going to select any of them. You want to post it for free, so that when we get conversion, we can then buy any of the premium packages. So we are not going to pay anything for our listing. You can see 00. You are not going to pay for anything. Once you have entered your details, you are going to click right here, yes, list my giveaway. So click on it so that your giveaway will be submitted. Once you click on it, you can see thank you, your giveaway has been submitted. So you are being redirected back. So our giveaway has been submitted and they have redirected us back to the home page of the website. Once your giveaway is submitted, they are going to list it on the website so that people can click on it and then enter the required details for you to make money. Make sure you select offers from different countries and then submit it onto the website so that you can earn a lot of money on CPA Grip. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.